This is Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Well, summer doesn't officially start for a few more weeks, but it sure felt like summer in southwest Idaho today. Let's get right to the numbers, and you will see that we tied the record for the high temperature today, 98 degrees, tying the record set back in 1986. Our morning low only got down to 69 degrees overnight, and that's only about 8 degrees cooler than the average high for the state. It's 78 in Boise right now, 78 in Emmett as well. It's 80 still in both Weiser and Ontario, and these temperatures are still slightly warmer than what we would expect for our average daytime high on this date. So it's still quite warm outside, but cooler than it was this time last night. 5 degrees cooler in Boise right now, 3 degrees cooler in McCall. Look at Washington and Oregon. That's an indication of what's coming our way. Those temperatures much cooler than they were 24 hours ago, although in Medford and Bend, a lot of that is due to some rain that came down as they got pounded by thunderstorms this afternoon. Just to the north of Bend in Sisters, Oregon, 2-inch hail was reported. Those are big hailstones along with some strong winds. We had strong winds here in southwest Idaho as well. We got a gust of 48 miles per hour officially at Boise Airport. Some places in the surrounding area very well probably had gusts of up to 50 miles per hour or even stronger. Most of it focused over Owyhee County and right here in the upper Treasure Valley, although it was breezy, if not windy, in most of Idaho today. Tomorrow looking much nicer, starting out in the low 60s, plenty of sunshine throughout the day, some clouds popping up in the afternoon, but look at how much lighter the winds are, only from 5 to 10 miles per hour, and our afternoon high tomorrow should be right around 76, 77 degrees, so a big change coming our way. And those thunderstorms pretty much done with us at this point. You might see some light rain showers if you're headed out this evening, some light rain possible around the valley, and we could maybe see a thunderstorm down around Mountain Home, kind of a convergence zone. We have east and west winds coming together in that region, so we could see a shower or a thunderstorm flare up there over the next several hours, but generally much cooler weather coming our way. That area of low pressure will slowly pass us over the next 24 to 48 hours, and you see the cooler air coming in off the Pacific Ocean. So temperatures tomorrow will be around 20 degrees cooler than they were today. Big change coming our way, but still the potential of some showers. If you're in the mountains this evening, you see the potential of showers and even thunderstorms early in the morning around 4 to 6 a.m. It could happen over the Boise foothills as well, but then skies clearing out nicely. Lots of sunshine on tap for your Sunday. The possibility of some showers popping up again on Monday in mountain locations as a weak little front comes through and temperatures much cooler and much milder than they have been for the next couple of days. But I don't know if you can see those wind particles there. You can see that wind starting to come up from the south now on Monday, and that southerly flow will warm our temperatures again as we go toward the end of the week. By Friday, back to the 90s again, kind of a similar pattern to what we experienced this week, not getting quite as hot and cooling off a little bit sooner on Saturday rather than Sunday. But that's what we have for tomorrow. Cooler temperatures, mostly sunny skies, a high of 77 in Boise, Kuna, and Caldwell. Ontario likely to get up to 80 degrees tomorrow. These temperatures slightly warmer than average, but much cooler than they were today. Partly cloudy in the west central mountains. Again, some showers and even a thunderstorm possible early in the morning. 63 your afternoon high in McCall. A very pleasant day. Nice day in Stanley with a high temperature of 67 after a morning low of 46 degrees. And in the Magic Valley, mostly sunny, not nearly as warm as today. Afternoon highs only hitting the upper 70s after morning lows just below 60 degrees. Here are the first three of our next 7 days. 77 tomorrow, 77 on Monday. Some clouds popping up in the afternoon. Tuesday, we're back to the 80s, and that warming trend goes right into the end of the week. 90 degrees for our afternoon high next Friday. And then, just like today, a storm system comes in, but it comes in a little earlier, cooling our temperatures on Saturday and bringing a chance of showers again our way. But if it was too hot and too windy for you today, you're going to love the weather tomorrow.
Sunday sounds near perfect in comparison to today. 98 degrees, and it certainly felt like it. Thank you, Steve.
Yeah, it was hot. You bet.
Still ahead on Idaho News 6.